Are you cruising for the very first time, whether alone or with others, and want to make the most of your embarkation day? Well, stay tuned. I have 15 embarkation day tips for first-time cruisers. Hey, first-time cruisers. Hey, your embarkation day sets the tone for an amazing cruise vacation, and I'm here to help you navigate it smoothly. So let's just dive right into the 15 essential tips that I have to make your first cruise stress-free and enjoyable. Now, number one, I'm going to have you to complete your online check-in before your cruise. Now, most cruise lines offer online check-in before embarkation day. So completing this in advance will save you a lot of time at the terminal and ensure that you have everything you need, like your boarding pass and your luggage tags, and it will remind you of your travel documents. Now, some cruise lines let you select an arrival time, so pick the time slot that works best for you. Number two, download and familiarize yourself with the cruise line's app. Now, most cruise lines have their own app, which becomes your digital cruise companion. So before you leave home, explore its features. You can usually use it to check in and book dining and activities, view deck plans, and stay updated on onboard events. Number three, pack a carry-on bag. Your checked luggage may not arrive to your stateroom until later that day, so a well-packed carry-on bag is a must. Now, essentials you want to include are, of course, your travel documents, your passport, your ID, your boarding pass, medications, a swimsuit if you think you might want to hit the pool right away, a change of clothes, and any electronics you may need, like your phone charger, or a camera. Hey, if you're enjoying this content, I hope that you will hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this. Number four, organize your travel and boarding documents. Now, you want to have your boarding pass and any necessary health forms easily accessible in that carry-on bag. So keeping these documents well organized will make check-in a breeze. Number five, arrive on time, but not too early. Now, I know you'll be excited to get your cruise off to a great start. I get it. But arriving too early can mean long waits before you're able to board. So just follow the check-in time you selected during your online check-in to avoid any long delays. Now, speaking of lines, number six, be patient because there may be long lines. Now, remember, you're boarding with thousands of other cruisers. You're doing security screenings, everybody's doing the check-in process, and embarkation can take a long time. So just be patient and go with the flow, and just know that there's a fantastic vacation for you just moments away. Now, number seven, and this is what I like to do. Locate your muster station and complete the safety briefing as soon as you can. Now, every cruiser must complete a safety drill, which is now much easier on most cruise lines because most cruise lines offer an app-based or a video option, and sometimes you can even watch the video before you cruise. So as soon as you board, head to your assigned muster station, check in, and complete any remaining safety requirement. Get this done early so you can just relax and start exploring. Now, number eight, make your activity plans and reservations as soon as possible. Now, if you want to book a specialty restaurant, spa treatment, or onboard show and you didn't do it as soon as you get on board. Many of the popular activities always have limited availability and the best time slots fill up fast. So if you didn't pre-book before the cruise, make it a priority once you're on board. Now, number nine, this is what I like to do. Unpack for a smooth start. So once your luggage arrives, just unpack all of your essentials especially, so you're not scrambling for things later on. Organize your space as early as possible to help you settle in and enjoy your cruise stress-free. Now, this is something I like to do, not even if it's a 3-day cruise. I like to get there and just unpack everything. That way, as I wear clothes, as I use items that I'm not going to use anymore, then on a daily basis, just pack them back up to go. So that way, at the end of my cruise, I don't have to take out a whole day or, half the day just trying to repack everything to get off the ship. Number 10, meet your room attendant. Now, your room attendant is key to making your stay comfortable. So on the first day, they're usually looking around in the hallway, so introduce yourself, learn their names, and let them know if you have any preferences. They'll ask you for day or evening service. Let them know if you want extra towels or ice or hangers. Now, if you want to make their day special, learn simple greetings like good morning or good evening or thank you in their native language, and that'll put a smile on their face. That's something that I like to do. Now, number 11, enjoy lunch and avoid the buffet crowds. Most first-time cruisers head straight to the buffet for lunch, which means long lines and limited seating. So instead, check out other venues like the main dining room or poolside grill or any of the specialty restaurants that may be open. Usually you can check out all of the other options available other than the crowded buffet as soon as you get on the ship. Number 12, line up activities in the app for your entire stay on board. So take a few minutes to browse through your cruise app and mark items as favorites or schedule activities for your entire stay. Now, some events run multiple times, so planning ahead will ensure you won't miss anything exciting, and maybe you can catch another show later to check out a show that you don't want to miss. Number 13, explore the ship. You want to get to know your floating home for the week. So walk through each entertainment deck, check out the lounges, the theaters. Don't try to memorize, but just walk through. Check out the bars and explore the outdoor decks. Now, most ships have 2 to 3 lower decks with dining, shopping, and entertainment, and then 2 to 3 outdoor decks with pools and relaxation areas and sporting activities. So just do a walkthrough, check out everything to see what's available. Maybe note a few things that you want to come back to, but that first day, just stroll and check everything out. Number 14, don't miss the sail away party. Now, this is the ultimate way to kick off your cruise. Now, whether you're on the deck for a lively pool deck party with music and dancing, or if you just want to be by yourself and have a relaxing moment on your own private balcony, just make sure you're outside as your ship sets sail. Wave goodbye to all of the people on land and say hello to your new adventure. Now, number 15, just relax and enjoy. You're officially on vacation. Embarkation day can be overwhelming, but take a deep breath. You made it. So take in the views, sip a welcome cocktail, and soak in the excitement of your first cruise.
Hi, if you're new here, I'm Cheryl, also known as SIGCruiser, and I've sailed over 40 solo cruises across 10 different cruise lines. And I want to share my experiences with you, as well as share advice and tips to help you plan and have the best solo cruising experience ever. Have you cruised before? Do you have embarkation day tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time.